In this video, we'll show you how to use Proton Mail with Thunderbird in 2026 and reveal the one important step that almost every setup guide skips. So if you've tried adding your Proton Mail account directly to Thunderbird using your email address and password, you probably noticed that it doesn't work. That's because Proton Mail uses end-to-end encryption, which standard email clients can't access on their own. The missing step is Proton Mail Bridge. So Proton Mail Bridge is a desktop application available with eligible paid Proton plans. It acts as a secure connection between Proton Mail and email clients like Thunderbird, allowing your message to be encrypted and decrypted locally on your computer. Here's how to set it up. First, you'll need to install the Proton Mail Bridge and sign in using your Proton Mail account. Once you're already logged in, since the Proton Mail Bridge is a paid subscription, so once you're signed in, add your Proton Mail account. The application will automatically generate the IMAP and SMTP settings needed for Thunderbird. Usually see here it in the websites. Then open the Thunderbird and choose to add new mail account. Instead of entering Proton standard server information, use the credentials and server settings provided by Proton Mail Bridge. In most cases, Bridge can even configure Thunderbird automatically. And once the setup is complete, Thunderbird will synchronize your emails, folders, and messages while Proton Mail Bridge securely handles the encryption in the background. One more tip that is make sure Proton Mail Bridge is running whenever you want Thunderbird to send or receive emails. If Bridge is closed, Thunderbird won't be able to connect to your Proton Mail account, and many users mistakenly think something is broken. With Proton Mail Bridge running and Thunderbird configured correctly, you'll get the familiar desktop email experience without sacrificing Proton's privacy and security. And that's how you use Proton Mail with Thunderbird in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.